In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. This process is essential if you want to install or reinstall Windows 11 on your computer using a USB flash drive, especially for those systems that might not have a CD drive or just for the convenience of installation by USB. Now to get started, make sure you have an 8 GB or larger USB flash drive. This is crucial because the Windows 11 installation files are quite large and you'll need ample space. Before we progress, it's vital to back up any important files currently on your USB. The process we're about to undertake will completely erase everything on the drive, so safeguarding your data is a must. Once your data is backed up, plug the USB flash drive into your computer. Next, you'll need to open Rufus, the software that will facilitate this process. Launch Rufus on your computer. If a user account control prompt appears, just click Yes to proceed. With Rufus open, look under the section labeled Device. Here, you'll want to select your USB flash drive from the drop-down list. This step ensures Rufus is targeting the correct drive for the bootable disk creation. Now it's time to move to selecting the Windows installation file. Click on Select, browse your computer to find the Windows 11 file you should have already downloaded from the official Microsoft website, and then click Open to load it into Rufus. Moving on, we need to configure Rufus with the correct settings. For device, ensure your USB flash drive is selected. For boot selection, choose the Windows 11 ISO. The image option should be set to standard Windows installation. This is typically the best choice unless you have special requirements. As for the partition scheme, select GPT. This is the most widely used scheme for modern systems, especially with UEFI firmware. However, if you're dealing with an older PC that uses legacy BIOS, you could go for MBR instead. The target system should be set to UEFI, non-CSM, which is compatible with most systems today. For the file system, you'll want NTFS and set the cluster size to default. Lastly, you can assign a volume label. This is just the name of your USB once it's created. You might want to name it Windows 11. Once everything is set, we're ready to start the process. Click on the Start button at the bottom of Rufus. If you see Windows User Experience options pop up, you have the opportunity to choose settings like removing the requirement for a Microsoft account, TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, or the minimum RAM requirement. You can also set it to create a local account automatically, which can simplify the installation process. And there you have it. Just sit back and let Rufus do the work. Once the process is completed, you'll have a fully functional bootable Windows 11 USB drive ready to go. Thank you for watching and happy installing.